What is up, everyone? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Celer network once again, currently almost breaking out. So if we dive into the charts, guys, up 17%. If you guys saw my video yesterday, I did mention that we're going to see a huge pump coming. Avalanche to correct soon, Celer network pump incoming. That's exactly what I said under 24 hours ago. Celer moonshot was in the thumbnail, guys. So if you guys saw this video yesterday, congratulations. Of course, you made the buy if you guys bought. I'm not a financial advisor by no means, but we're going to be having a look at the falling wedge that we had over here, and a nice consolidation before going for another leg, essentially. So we're going to be having a look at the Elliott wave pattern as well, the falling wedge, and what our potential targets can be. But before that, let's have a look at CoinMarketCap real quick. Celer network layer 2 protocol currently up 17.46%, currently traded under 14 cents, $835 million market cap right here. I've been talking about this coin since 2 cents, guys. Since 2 cents, I've been talking about this coin. You guys can go right here into my Crypto Dose channel. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Crypto Dose with 2 E's in the end. And of course, guys, if you guys like my videos, please leave a like, comment, subscribe for daily updates. So Celer network, we got 91,000 people on the watch list, currently ranked 124. This peaked at 18 cents to 20 cents, I believe. When was this? It was right here. It was September 20th. So 2-3 months ago, we peaked at 2 months ago we peaked at approximately 19-20 cents, which was fantastic. We were actually on the top 100. This is still early, guys. This, in my opinion, can 10x, not financial advice whatsoever. For those of you guys who don't know what Celer network is it's a layer 2 protocol right here. It says it's essentially like Matic, except they have C-Bridge. In my opinion, Celer network is a little bit more advanced. Celer network is a layer 2 scaling platform that brings fast, secure, and low cost blockchain applications on Ethereum. So we know Ethereum, one of the biggest problems that it's having right now is that there's a lot of congestions on the Ethereum ecosystem right now. Gas fees are through the roof right now. People have to, if you want to buy an NFT, make a transaction on Uniswap, you're gonna have to pay over $200-$300. And even if you want to transfer from wallet to wallet, it could range between $5 to $30 just to make one transaction. It's insane. So as you guys can see, it's a low-cost blockchain application on Ethereum and Polkadot and other blockchains that brings mass adoption, essentially. Celer launched the world's first generalized state channel network and continued to push the frontier on layer 2 scaling with advanced roll-up technology, okay? So I would definitely have a look at this and Matic. For those of you guys who don't know what Matic network is, I did make a video on that too. Very, very interesting project. And by the way, guys, it's not Matic or Polygon's competitors. They're actually working together to combat these fees until Ethereum 2.0 is fully out and scalable, essentially. So that's on Celer network. Let's have a look at some of the TAs. So we know right here. So I've been talking about this coin since I've honestly been talking since February, but I really started talking about it right here when there was this crazy correction, and it was essentially at 2 cents. I've been talking about it, 2 cents, guys. So if you would have bought, not financial advice, but if you would have done your own research, you would have been up a whooping 775% if you would have sold there, or 543%. Now, let's not forget, this is since August. This is since the beginning of August we're talking here, okay? So literally 4 or 5 months, you could have made 543%. You're not going to find these gains anywhere, not in the stock market, not with gold, not with trading, not with anything. So so before we go into this into the falling wedge on the weekly or daily time frame, I want to have a look at the Elliott wave pattern. So for those of you guys who don't know what the Elliott wave pattern, it consists of 5 waves, okay? And usually we come back and retest the current resistance, the previous resistance or support. So this was the first wave right here. We got a second wave as a correction. Third wave is usually the biggest wave. Fourth wave came back, retested this support right here. And then we have a fifth wave. Fifth wave, we should be going to 30 cents. that's what I said yesterday in my video. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see how that plays out. Of course, we're going to have to break through this resistance right here, which I'm sure we will. If you guys are trading with leverage and are looking to take profit, this area right here, 18 cents would be a fantastic, fantastic area to essentially take profit. Maybe roll them over to spot or stop with the leveraging because you don't want to be too greedy. Now, assuming you're doing this with, you're taking this breakout and you're playing this with 3x leverage, that's 100% gain to 18 cents. Now, I did make a video on what is leverage, how to trade on Binance and whatnot, so feel free to go into that video as well. It's in my learning section, and that's about it. So let's have a look at the falling wedge. So for those of you guys who don't know what a falling wedge is, it's essentially a range where it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter and smaller as you get to the bottom. And usually falling wedges, you get confirmation when there's a breakout outside of the falling wedge. Now here we had a few breakouts, yes, but I don't count these because these were actually wicks. We didn't fully close above it. So this candle right here, if we manage to get a close, which is anything above here, okay, anything above this region, okay, if we manage to get a close above 13.23 cents, okay, which the weekly candle ends in 10 hours, okay, this is going to be very bullish, and we're going to have a crazy run this week on Celer network, in my opinion. So this is my potential target right here, 18 cents. Not to be greedy, guys. This is very, we all know that the trend is your friend until it bends, and it just looks juicier on the daily time frame, in my opinion. Look at that. We haven't actually broken above like this. This is the first time we have a clean, nice breakout, and this is assuming that the candle stays above this trend line right here, because we know the trend is your friend until it bends. So if we manage to break above this trend line and stay above it, we're going to be rolling, we're going to be running. There's no question about that. If we have a look at the EMA ribbon right now, beautiful. We were trending a little bit for a few days. We were trending below the exponential moving average. Now we're popping back above. If I have a look at the weekly EMA real quick right here, we actually got rejected exactly at the 20 EMA exponential moving average. Okay, so we all know that on the weekly and on a daily, it's the biggest retest. So we know that here is a perfect opportunity to buy. And this is exactly what happened. It came down, you put your long, you accumulate, and then boom, rejection. On the daily time frame, not so much, but we had one right here actually before we saw that double top right here. We came back, retested, boom, made a nice beautiful double top, and essentially broke down. Double tops are usually bearish. For those of you guys who don't know, double bottoms are bullish. So this is exactly how I would trade Celer network. Nothing too crazy. They work best on the daily and weekly time frame, so you do have to be patient indeed. Right here, boom, we had a few touches. Anyways, I'm not gonna get into that. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.